Hello everyone, good morning. So today is day 1. Let us start with the basic workout because बहुत सारे beginners, intermediates भी हमारे साथ join करेंगे, right? So to take everyone along with us, let us start with the basic workout only, starting few days, and then we move into the intense workout. So remember one thing, whenever you are starting the workout, right, initial 2 to 5 minutes you have to do the warm up, which is very very important for your body to adapt the exercise forms which you are going to do, right? And at the last we have to do the cool down exercise as well, right? Let us start with a very very basic warm up workout today. Okay, first is side bend. Whatever you do, just remember कि आपको पूरा stretch करना है. जो भी करेंगे उसमें अपने हाथ और पैर आपको पूरे तरीके से यूज करना है, right? Let us start with the side bending. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Relax, rest for 5 seconds, then we start the other form of the warm up, which is leg raise twist. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Then the third warm-up exercise is back turns. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Relax. This way we can keep on adding few more exercises going forward. So now we will start the main workout which is let's start with the leg raise. So hands on your waist and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Then we do the other exercise, which is the back leg raise. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So friends, likewise we will keep on adding further more steps and exercises in our daily routine. Just remember, हमने जो भी किया है उसके आपको 3 सेट्स करने हैं, 12 each side and 3 sets. इसका मतलब one side 36 and other side 36. That is minimum. Slowly हम इसको increase करेंगे and be with me. Thanks for watching. Get Quick with Pooja. Thank you.